G'day! So this is more just to document my own fix regarding no audio on my laptop running Zorin OS, but I'll bring you guys along for the ride, and hopefully I don't need to refer to this in the future. So I've got my laptop here. I keep forgetting what brand it is. It's some Chinese brand, and the specs of it are pretty good. A Wuji 14, running a Ryzen 8840HS, I believe. Anyway, once I've reinstalled it, I have had no audio, but I found that this particular command right here seems to do the job for me. So I believe what it's trying to do by default when you install Zorin OS is that it's trying to route the audio directly through the headphone jack as the priority, which is not what I want it to do. I rarely use my headphone jack, and I want audio. So I found with this particular command, I put that in. Basically my little test for it was, before I had it running on startup, I'd copy the code, put it into terminal. So I'd go to terminal, I'd search terminal, go to terminal, go here, paste that code in there, hit enter, and it would come up with this various code right here. But from there, my audio would go. So if I try audio now, it's going. So I don't know the permanent fix for it, but the workaround that I've done for it is I have gone to Startup Applications, I've gone to Add, and then I've simply put the code, or the command in here. I gave it a name of audio workaround, or audio fix on startup. And I've put in audio workaround, I've clicked add, and from there every time it starts, it executes that command, and from there I've got audio playing through my laptop speakers. So hopefully, I haven't actually tried headphones, I've had Bluetooth speakers connected up, and that's worked fine, but I haven't used the 3.5mm jack, which, as I said, I don't utilize it on this laptop. So to me, it doesn't matter that it's permanently playing through speakers. If I pair up headphones via Bluetooth, I can use it that way. So for me, that seems to be working. So as I said, hopefully I don't need to refer to that in the future, but also hopefully for you guys that are running, where are we? Who are running Zorin OS like myself. No, I was a 7840HS, my bad. But this particular one, that command has got it going for me. Hope that helps you, and see you later. Bye.